Jones Waterfall, Tennessee, about a mile, almost 400, I'd say about 399. Let's get up here. Pretty cool. It's about a 0.1 mile side trail here. I'm happy I took it, but hey, look at that, clean shave. Wow. So, I just got done spending a week with my dad and my son. My son came up for spring break. Really nice. Slack pack about 75 miles from Sam's Gap. It's got 317 to, I don't know, US 19, right outside of Roan Mountain. Went over Roan Mountain, Inaka Mountain, bunch of little mountains, really nice. Let's go ahead and get going here. Hurt my foot. First day I got my new shoes, my Ronnie McDonnie shoes. Check that out. Ronnie McDonnie. Woo! Ronald McDonald shoes are pretty ugly, but so I spent a week with them, and then my girlfriend came up, brought my dogs, which was awesome. I got to see my dogs, my girlfriend, my son, and my father. Got to do some camping, and we stayed in a cabin this last 3 nights. Really nice. He dropped me off today. That's the hardest part about doing the trail, I think, is saying goodbye to your family. And every time they come see me, it's like you got to pick that scab again, you know. But 4 more months. I mean, I'm 400 miles in, and I think it's some of the hardest 400 being the initial. And you know, I mean, there'll be hard sections later, but psychologically I'll be ready for it, and physically. So anyway, we've got about 1 mile to go until we actually hit 400 miles, not including approach trail. I'm kind of miffed they don't include those 9 miles. But 400 miles, milestone accomplishment. I'll be in Virginia by next week. Good times. Like I say, be in Hampton, Tennessee in about tomorrow. I should hit Hampton, or the next day. And then after that, I'll be about 50 miles from Virginia, Damascus. I'll be there long before trail days, so I'll be partaking in any of that. But anyway, that'll be my 1, 2, 3, 4th state. Is that right? Georgia, Tennessee? Yeah, it'll be my 4th state. All right, let's get to it.